friends are going to perform an experiment about physical and chemical changes. My friends Priyanka and Vivan are going to present about physical changes. A physical change is the change where the physical properties change but the chemical properties don't change. Now Vivan and Priyanka, please explain us about a physical change.
I am showing a physical change with a paper. This is a reversible change, but this is a irreversible change because we can't make it to the original shape. And one more physical change with salt and water. When we dissolve this salt, after some time we boil this salt water, the water will evaporate and we will get salt. This is reversible.
Now my friends Kashyap and Juna are gonna show us an experiment about chemical change. A chemical change is where the chemical and the physical properties change. Now please start explaining us about chemical change.
Hello everybody. Today we have magnesium strip here, a piece of paper and matchsticks with a candle.
Here I have a paper and I'm going to burn it with a candle. So this is the ash and we cannot get it back in the form of paper.
Okay, so now I'm going to burn the magnesium strip. Let's see what reaction will happen. Okay. So when we burn the magnesium strip, we are getting a very strong and high amount of light from the magnesium strip. And we should not give an eye contact with it. It might burn our eyes. So this is the ash of the magnesium strips, as you can see here. It's in white color.